Okay, it's still Friday, the 9th. It's about 12:30. I stopped here at Blue Mtn Shelter. I was starving. Got something to eat. I actually used my stove for the first time. Cooked some rice. I also had some coffee and some oatmeal. So, it's gotten really cold. Still really windy. The wind's gusting about 30 knots, and I don't know, it's probably in the 40s. It's pretty chilly. Once you get hiking though, you get warmed up fast. But sitting around, it's pretty cold. Put my fleece on, which will be coming off pretty soon. Here's Blue Mountain, there's the shelter right through there. There were still guys packing up when I got here, and matter of fact, about 5 of them just left. So they're only doing like 8 miles today total. I'm trying to do 13. Trying to get to the cheese factory, which apparently there's nothing there. I guess supposedly it was a building there at one time, but now it's just a campsite. But that's my 13-mile mark. I want to make that so I have 13 left tomorrow to get to Dix Creek, which I can get a ride into Hiawassee. I actually can get a shuttle. They got motels there. They also got you know, all kinds of places to stay. And there's supposed to be a snowstorm Saturday evening, which if I make the 26 miles the next 2 days, that'll be put me there at Dix Creek, Dix Creek at Saturday evening. And they're calling for about 4 or 5 inches of snow, and down in the 30s, but it's not going to be cold enough to stick. Apparently, the weather's saying it won't stay, but they're going to get a large snowfall. Nice, the sun finally came out. It's been foggy and really windy all morning. At least it hasn't rained, except for just a few minutes earlier. So we're on our way to Trey Gap next. I think Unicole first, and then Trey, and then try to make cheese factory tonight. All right. We'll see you later.